It was like a huge, very, very long, demanding day. First off, we had a Python review day because we have a midterm in 2 days on Wednesday or Monday. And it's like the last class where we review everything. And we just went over like the big challenging problem that we solved last time. And then went over all the notions, all the codings. And then I asked specific questions just to make sure, and I was just squeezing my brain to think of any possibilities because coding is so like typical for each case. Every case is so different, and then like there is a certain pattern, but there's so much more exceptions than pattern, I'd say, because like depending on the situation you use it differently, and basically you gotta completely like to the core understand it than just like the easiest examples that are shown that are like obviously obvious. After I had calculus, and maybe it's because of my lack of sleep, it was like the longest calculus class I had. Well, it's the 2-hour one. I have either 2-hour or 1.5-hour calculus classes. We were doing difference of rates, change of rates. It's like situational problems where they combine so many rates and go like this one moves at that rate, the other one moves at that rate, and then there's another third one that you're looking for at another rate. So then it's like combining triple, quadruple rates, and you have to come up with formulas. Sometimes the formulas are too hard that they're going to be given. But idea is not hard at all. It's just derivatives, just the slopes, and just replacing slopes with what's given, what you found from the points that were given, etc. And lots of algebra, and sometimes basically subtracting the stuff you already know to get rid of like cancellating the stuff you already know. Basically lots of algebra, logic, many logic goes in here. Every case is different because of what they give you and what's really happening in the situation as well, and then like you have to put signs plus or minus depending. Right after that I had English essay, which was a midterm, and it counts for a very big chunk of the entire semester, and I think it was like 16 or 20%. Anyway, I kind of ran out of time, which is like me in every single essay. Like I never learn from my mistakes, do I? I just keep writing like too much on my drafts, and I don't have time making the good copy. And then physics, it was like another huge class on torque. Lots of new notions on torque, and yeah,